More Savage Fenty, y'all.
It's giving.
Wow. Honestly, make it. He loves the water. Uh-huh. Yeah.
I touched that fire for you. I knew that we were time to get night just.
I thought I'd do it right there. No, stop, please. Jermaine. Get Jermaine. That's Jermaine. It's Jermaine.
I'm recording. I'm not taking a picture. She got the wifey pose. Y'all, it's your girl Leah Ray. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It is Tuesday. My lips is charged to show. Let me get myself together. If I get back on this camera. God damn it. I'm back. I don't know who told me not to get back on the camera last night to introduce my video, but it's your girl Leah Ray, and we are back with another vlog. It is July 3rd. It feels so good out here, y'all. It's like hot, but it have a nice wind chill with it, so I'm loving it. I really want to take the Jeep doors off. The Jeep doors off. I may try to do that later. Tomorrow's the 4th and see what we get into. But you guys see our week started off with us finally laying Miss Dinine to rest. I got to make her press on, so I'll try to insert some photos in here. You guys may see that last vlog. Y'all, I got 2 vlogs to still post. One is done. I just need to add like my wordings and some music, and my goal is to get it done today. I had a full book today. Woke up, Shawnee canceled. She's my 10 a.m. and my another appointment 12, who is no longer getting my book ever again, because she always does that, and it's a wrap. You're banned. But nonetheless, I'm like, damn, like I had people inquiring heavy. I'm trying to have my quota day, so my day is pretty much gonna suck, but I would love to make it to the gym sometime, because I still haven't. Y'all, I gotta get this schedule together with the gym, because although Dre's home, it's still tough. And it's tough because of like my schedule and getting the kids from daycare. So I have to devote myself to getting up early in the morning, and it's like I'm not getting enough rest. I be like mad tired. Today I was so tired that honestly, what Shawnee said she wasn't going to be able to come, I was like, girl, good, because I'm sleeping till 9 then. So I'm dropping the kids. It's almost 10 now. I'm dropping the kids off at daycare. I'm gonna grab me some Starbucks because I don't gotta be to work till 12. I was gonna go to work now. Work out now, but I'm like, you know what? Why rush when I could just knock out my 12 o'clock. My cousin Kara is 1:30. It didn't be done about like 2:30. Then come back and go to the gym and then get the kids. Sound like a plan? Yes, it does. I definitely want to do some hard cardio because I have not worked out since last Thursday. So yeah, we're gonna get it in. Definitely get it in tomorrow. But y'all here for weekly vlog, so y'all here to see it. Peace and love. Say hi. It's tie-dye day. The kids made tie-dye shirts. They're huge. I got pieces right here. So.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch saying bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems.
Stampede in the gorge.
Love.
Down there.
Love. Love, look. Great. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, 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 go to sleep. More Savage Fenty, y'all. I got this really cute orange lace fit. Some more workout stuff, y'all. I am loving the one pieces from Savage Fenty. I really got to make some content like reels and stuff because I have so many. And I still got like 16 credits left. Of course, we're just counting, but I definitely just want to like load up on bras and activewear, yada, yada, yada. So it's giving. It's giving Selena. This might be a little too sexy for camera, but so this is the low impact bras. So I am really getting to know my stuff with Savage Fenty, but make sure you guys are reading. But I definitely am noticing and reading that it's low impact, medium impact, and high impact. So high impact is like the more support for your chest, just more explainable. So this is, I believe, a low impact sports bra. I can tell because it's like a little more, I already know what I ordered, but I can even feel the difference compared to some of the sports bras that I got that are high impact or medium. But it's definitely like a cute fit. I want to say the low impacts just are going to be bouncy, but they're still more supportive. The one thing that I've noticed in my day-to-day basis, and like I don't like the go outside looking crazy, but I love a good sports outfit, you know. So it doesn't have to necessarily always be the gym, but if I'm going to work or just running errands, a nice little tracksuit's it. So this will be a really good bra for that. Then I got the mid shorts to go with that. Got the gray lining on the side. And then I got two black jumpsuits, y'all. I love the jumpsuits. They're so comfortable. They hold you in really, really nice. I really want every one. I probably have every black jumpsuit there is on Savage Fenty. So this one here, the back has like a thin strap, thicker strap situation. It has the Savage X symbol sign in the middle. Kind of always reminds me of the peace sign. The cutout in the back. And then like the detail on it are just some different stitching on the knees as well. But that's just the different details compared to some of the other ones I have. It's also supportive and the zippers in the front. And then the other one I got, the material seems a little more thicker. Thin mid strap in the back as well. But the stitching's a little more different. Savage Fenty in the back there. It's just completely solid in the front. It has more chest support inside, as you can see. Some details in the stitching as well, but not as much as this one. So that's pretty much how you can tell the difference. And this one, the first one I showed you, is like more spandex. This one's more cottony. Dad, that brought a Starbucks in bed. Get out of here. That's why it's broke. Nothing. Zip zeros. Did you with a zero? 4th of July, it's pretty much like 5:30. We have done nothing. My grandma's neighbor, Ashok, always does like an annual 4th of July, and my family kind of like piggybacks off of that, and that's going to be on Saturday. So, I don't know. I'm running to the store real quick because I got some lamb chops, and I got some Brussels sprouts, asparagus, for potatoes, rice. I got a couple sides. So I'm going to make us a nice little dinner, but I want to make like a side salad maybe, like a side Caesar salad. So we're still going to have us a good little meal. Hi, love. Hey, come here. Go, love. Go, I never really know this guy. Because he's tall as Izzy. Mamacita.
Hey, every nigga got 50 course. That's a course. Kick that. That's sweet.
I seen the God bless America. Happy Friday, guys. It's 1:30. I'm off work. Talk about a day, right? I started at about 10:30. I had a best friend deal booked. So I got a best friend deal where it's 2 for $2.30. It's $1.15 a piece. Talk about a good day when you just go make some good money and really quick. So I'm going to the gym. Bucket, like a mechanical bull. Bucket, a good night. Yo, money is bucket, like a mechanical bull. Bucket, a good night. Yo, money is bucket, like a mechanical bull. Bucket, a good night. Yo, money is bull. Look at that horse, look at that horse, look at that horse. See as hell, I'm natural, done on Fox. Bucket, a good night. Whoa. I showed you guys this before, but it's such a refreshing salad. Cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion. Red onion is a kick. I mean, you can use yellow, white onions, but the red onions give it the taste that you want. Some peppers. I got that mixed bag. You know, they got like the red, yellow, and orange in there. Feta cheese. The pink salt. Himalayan, whatever. I just don't want to say that and sound a fool. You know what I'm talking about. Some pepper, olive oil, and fresh squeezed lemon. I had an incredible workout. I did a few more machines and stuff in the gym. Tried to get you guys something. So I probably spent about a good 45 minutes in the gym, and then I left out and I did cardio in my neighborhood. So I only ran around my complex once, which is, I think, a little shy of 2 miles. And I was going to do the hills, but it's so humid out there. I just was like mad exhausted. Plus, I only ate a bag of chips today. So that probably, like, I can work out in the morning. I don't know about you, and leave in the comments how you feel. But like, I love working out on an empty stomach in the morning. But if I decide to work out like in the evening or in the afternoon, empty stomach, I don't have the best energy. Dre got me frying chicken and fresh cut fries at 1 in the morning. Honestly, naked wings and the cast iron skillet might be the way.
I'm gonna shop by 8 p.m. Just send a text to your DM. Body for your fucking ass. I'm gonna shop by 8 p.m. Just send a text to your DM. I'm gonna shop by 8 p.m. Send a text to your DM.
And you know I got a breath stop plan, y'all. So much for the gym, but this is fire. Actually, it was kind of cool. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. Just dropped my kids off at my mom's. Just ripped all those lashes off while driving. Just grabbed me some Starbucks, which has been pretty tough to do in my mornings. But anywho, on my way to work. I got 5 appointments today. Should be done about 5-ish. But y'all, this might be a little TMI, but I think not, because it's interesting. Please give me some feedback for anybody, but I have a period. I am on the Moderna 5-year no period. I spotted a little bit like when I first got it, but I remember me spotting, and you know, like when you breastfeed for the first 3 months, you have no period at all, and then you start to get one. I had one period after about 6 weeks, and then I had another spot one that I was pregnant again. But I remember me getting a little bit of a period, and I called about it, like nervous as hell, and they said I might have did a lot in the gym. It's not like it's pad worthy, you know, like in my underwear type thing. Even though I'm secure, I just, nothing like that. Just spotting when I wipe, and I have like cramping. So I feel like if it continues on Monday, or by Monday, I'm gonna call. I think I might call anyways. Loves the water. Go ahead, let me see you jump in, Peace. Go. Yay.
Look, say hi to the camera.
He be doing this in the bathtub.
Say hi to the camera. Say peace.
You scared? What's your name?
Apis.
Apis?
Yeah, Apis.
What's your last name?
And I Peace.
Kane.
Yeah, King.
Say
Peace
peace, Kane.
Be King.
What's your name?
Yeah, be Kim.
What's your name? It's going down.
Oh, they haven't started.
There goes Uncle Pat and the clan. You guys got boats lined up. These boats go that you guys use. That's what I said.
Yeah.
You can't really see us. There it goes. Woo! This man was scared. That's why I had to stand up here with his bodyguard. I had to stand up here and watch him.
Uncle Richie, I must poop your pants.
He did.
He did.
I'm not moving.
He did.
I knew I smelled something.
Yeah, thanks. All right, guys. Saturday night. The kids are asleep. You guys seen I was at my grandma's house. Every year, Ashok is my grandma's neighbor, but they collectively do like a nice 4th of July cookout, live DJ, lots of fireworks. It's a really good time. He's been doing it for maybe like 4 or 5 years now, and now like my grandma and them partaking, so we normally stop by. So the kids were there all day today while I was at work. Dre has been under the weather. We were supposed to go see Bad Boys, didn't make it. So we're back home, kids were asleep, and I started watching Bridgerton. I don't know if I mentioned this at all, but I'm stuck. I'm on season 3, episode 5. So I'm about to watch that. But I'm like, since the kids are sleeping, I'm up. Let me finish editing, y'all. I have my birthday vlog, which I end up adding a couple days in. So I'm like almost through with that. So I'm excited. I'm like, let me take advantage of this time, edit this vlog so I can get this posted tomorrow. And then, you know, catching up. So my nails look terrible. I'm so pissed because I've got so much nail content, and I hate how I don't have my gloves on, and you're seeing like these funky ass thumbs and like nail and cuticle area looking crazy. So I'm like, oh, I might need to use that content. Okay, get to editing. Peace out.
On D ain't doing nothing.
On D, pull my legs. We're clear because we got the 15 now. Yeah, because you can see every goddamn impression on ice. You're crazy. Yeah. We're at Target. Watch out, Stinky. What's that? You don't even know what this is. You already got this. You guys have these already. Electric nose flusher. I need to probably get that. No.
You want someone?
Yeah, she likes matcha. Okay, we need more of this stuff.
Elmo brusted teeth.
I want like a really good bubble bath for the kids. Just like extra bubbly. They're putting bumpers on the dock. It's my grandma's boat, guys.
Did you like the pool yesterday?
You ready to go? You ready to go on the boat?
Yeah, make the pool.
We're going on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah? Love, you ready? All right, come on. We're following you guys.
You can't come on.
You sure you don't want to come? Okay. Haven't been on this dock in years. Say cheese!
Every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you, go by. If you leave, I'm struggling.